What an exhausting Monday. I'm heading to my parents' house. Well, I'm actually already here. Then I have to go pick up things. I think it's gonna be a fine from a parking that I did wrongly, probably. I went to see my grandma. Now I'm gonna head home. It's 9 p.m. and I'm gonna go to bed. I'm heading to a meeting now. It's 10 and I really need a coffee. I haven't had time or energy to prepare it at home, so I'm just gonna stop and grab a quick one and head to the center. This is me wearing spring clothes and it's raining and the temperature is 12 degrees, but it feels like it's 8 degrees. It says on the iPhone. My hair is a mess because it's raining and my face is red because I'm cold. It's unboxing o'clock. I got this package from Coro.coffee. It's a specialty coffee from Barcelona and they have the cutest packaging. It's a specialty coffee from Colombia. So they got me this, and you know I use this kind of coffee machine every single day. This Italian one. It's so cute. I love it. So cute. And they sent me this. You guys, this smells like heaven. Look at the packaging. So beautiful. And here it says when it was toasted. So this one is from March 21st. Super recent. And it's 100% Arabica, which, if you know, is the best type of coffee. Some stickers. How cute is this? I love it. I love it. You guys, it's 8 and look at this light. I'm now for a drink with my friend Laura, but then I have to prepare my bag for tomorrow because I'm going to Madrid, and on Friday I'm going to Lisbon on a hen's party with one of my closest friends, and yeah, I don't know what to bring, and I only have one carry-on backpack. I don't even have a real carry-on. It's just a bag, small bag. today, and I am already taking my bag because I'm gonna be going straight to the airport after work. Now I'm meeting with some co-workers that are here for the day, and then at 7 off to Madrid, and tomorrow Lisbon. I'm excited, it's gonna be fun. My friend's house. It's 9:30. I took Uber here, and I'm gonna have dinner here with them and head to bed. I just finished work. I'm heading to Zara because I need to buy a pair of blue jeans. We need to wear that tomorrow, and I don't own any pair of blue jeans because I don't like them, but I have to buy one. So I'm gonna be doing that while my friend is at the hairdresser, and then we're gonna meet back at her apartment and go to the airport. It's a bit cloudy today, but I hope it's nicer in Lisbon, since I'm already in my spring mood, not wearing any pullovers or anything warm. Look at this disaster, and I will have to change myself because I'm not gonna take the plane like this. Anyways guys, I'm always forgetting my umbrella. are heading for a drink and having dinner at 10:30 p.m. Quite late, but you know, Spanish girls. This is the schedule.
翻越了山川和海洋的交界，你回映在交配的月光下。前行的时间为我摘下眼角的花朵，筑成一碗浓郁惆怅。沿着你流落的脚印，试探地走进那个没有退路的地方。嘿，小心在。